Hello guys, and today we're going to be drawing a bee. First we're going to start by drawing an oval on the left side of your page. Like that, and then we're going to draw another one. This time it's going to be more long. And come back in. Now we're going to draw one of the arms. And then draw a scythe right here. Now for our second leg. Do like a pincher. I'm going to draw a circle right here. That's the second one. That's the third leg. So now we're going to move on to the wings. Then that's it for the wings. We're now going to draw the eyes. So we're going to draw a C like that. And then we're going to draw a circle. Right around it. And color that circle in. That's the eye of our bee. Now we're going to draw the antennae. Now we're going to draw the back of the abdomen. I forget what that's called. Oh no. And that's the bee done. All I have to do now is decorate it. Most bees are black and white, so and the stripes. Then also color the stinger black too. Then lightly shade in the middle part. And that's our bee finished. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.